Alright folks, good morning. This is Marcel. This is Amtrak Coast Starlight, train number 11. This train will be headed to Los Angeles. 98th Avenue, an ALC 42 cement charger and a P42 DC. 311 leading off of this one. 311 is the cement charger, followed by a P42 DC in the back. Once again, ALC 42311, P42DC number 158 on the Coast Starlight. Alright folks, have a safe trip. Do not be late. Have a safe trip. Alright. This train is going to Los Angeles. Switching over to the coast sub, which is the fastest route to get to San Jose. Alright folks, I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good Thursday. Heads up to Sally Angel Gardner-Smith. Heads up to Oscar Reyes out there in SoCal. Coast Starlight has 311 and 158. That's your heads up for you guys. All right, folks, cut it out. Bye-bye.